Look at that.
A bit of action shot, eh? This is the one he cut off, I replaced.
That's his 10-ounce weight just coming in now.
Yeah, they said this was a good swim to tench.
It's a fucking big tench if it's a dench.
Get out of it.
So look, if I don't run over his line, you're going to pull this. This is on the single or the pop-up?
Single.
Yeah.
Single bottom bait.
Single bottle bait.
Exactly. Feel any good?
Huh?
You feel good?
Don't know. Can't really tell, mate.
It's a long way out and there's a lot of stretch in them, isn't there?
Fuck me, I'm the only one who's blank now. Did you get this in?
Don't say things like that. Yeah.
Get your scissors out. Eh?
Can't this, I won't be sat on anyone.
Don't worry, he's probably still a frayed bit of it from the fucking rotor.
No spool.
Oh.
Done it
I weren't taking that chance, mate. I took the whole lot off.
It really is in the middle.
What's the going saying on this? Oh, this is a high 20 before you say it. It's what you lot keep saying. No, it won't wait. It's all right.
A bit now. Encouraging.
You can just bang a few pound on it if you want at the end of it. Round it up to the nearest
20.
the nearest 10, yeah, that's what we do.
That's what he said earlier. He was like, Rob's is getting bigger every time I move away.
Yeah, every time you turn your back, there'll a few pound gone on.
Day 9 now. What am I going to do with this hole? It's over, it's gone under it.
Oh, look, you can play it round now. What's the matter with you?
It's,
Don't panic. Oh, that one. Fucking hell.
right, we actually over that, or?
You're under it, I think, by now, Mark. You must be under that one.
It did start to lift up, so it went under, didn't it?
Back in the middle.
That was it.
Get that straight in front of me in a minute. Yeah. That run's killed me. I do running.
I see you, yeah. You're like a lot of young salmon, yours.
Like a three-legged fucking donkey.
Screamer for you though?
Yeah, felt nice, mate.
Good for you. Hurry up, I've only got about fucking 4 hours of film on this.
I've got 2 hours of sunlight.
Yeah. Fucking clocks will be going back.
That's a fucking long way to reel a fish.
Alright. Well, you've earned it. You might as well make the most out of it.
Go out on a boat to get your fish because I'm too lazy to reel it in.
Yeah. I'd much rather be doing this.
I was fucking glad I managed to get that straight back out of the lilies there.
Yeah, and you would have gone out on the boat as much if you had fucking horse instead of electric motor.
Them two.
No, I don't think we'd be fishing in the lilies so much if we had got.
You wouldn't, would you?
No.
You'd be risking it, would you? I wouldn't do it now.
They take a little while to wake up. He's heading for where they all go, into those lilies over there. No one fishes, yeah.
That's the reason why.
No, nice boil.
There he goes. He's realised what's going on now, hasn't he?
I'd get out of the way if I was you, Dave. When that line snaps, you'll cop the rod in the mouth.
Fucking hell, you need you lot when you're playing a fish, don't you? Oh, fucking Jesus.
Let's have a look.
Do you want me to jump in? I'll fucking knock him off with the net now. You'll hit me, won't you?
We'll be following it in the water.
Check clutch.
The amount I've lost on them last lunges over the years. big paddle.
Yeah. And there's nothing.
Looks like it's quite a short, chunky one.
Yeah, ain't big, is he?
Don't matter. You're not going to battle, though?
Mate, I don't give a fuck at the minute. It's a carp.
No.
That's all that I care about at the minute. It's fucking £15 on, I'd be happy.
Or 20. Don't do 15, it's got to be 20. Oh, it's quite wide. Oh, that's a nice. Oh, look at the width of him. Yeah, yeah, boy.
Well done, mate.
Quite wide.
Yeah, he's got some shoulders.
That's go insane at the moment, isn't it?
Where do you want the map, Mark?
I can know he's got a gammy eye. Two
If he's
fins
got one of
missing.
Mark's baits, he must have.
Nearly as bent up as the one I caught.
Yeah, I should get this out.
Take this out,
You going to
boy.
lift it out on the sling? Have you
Yeah.
zeroed? Hold on, we got that zeroed.
Yes, it should be 0 from my one, shouldn't
Oh,
it?
it's dry though.
It's dry. It's wet.
Well, we're going to put this under the water to get him out, aren't we? And get you under the water to get
Don't
him.
get in the water.
Oh, yeah, it's got a gammy on. Oh no, it's the boilie.
Oh, gammy eye, no, it's a boilie.
I looked down the side and see it sticking out. I thought he's fucked. His eyes come out.
Seriously, we're actually going to weigh this one.
Zero the sling first.
He's milking it, isn't he?
Fuck, I just dropped the net.